Creating an Apple ID on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max is key to accessing Apple's ecosystem. Start by powering on your device and following the Setup Assistant. If you're already signed in, navigate to Settings. Tap your name at the top, then sign out. After that, tap Create Apple ID. Provide an email address, set a strong password, and verify it via SMS or email. This ID links to iCloud and the App Store, enabling seamless integration. Two-factor authentication is enabled by default for enhanced security. Agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. The iPhone 17 series features AI-assisted prompts to guide you, reducing setup time to under 3 minutes. iCloud is automatically enabled during Apple ID creation, offering 5 gigabytes of free storage for photos, contacts, and app data syncing across devices, including the new Spatial Cloud feature for AR/VR content. The App Store activates instantly with your Apple ID, requiring age and region verification. Parental controls are available. Set up Apple Pay for in-app purchases. Privacy is paramount. Data is encrypted end-to-end, and you can customize sharing options via privacy and security settings. Biometric verification is required for account recovery. After setup, explore iCloud Plus for premium features like private relay and expanded storage.